everyone, and welcome back. I am going to show you how I uploaded my photo, or how I took a photo first for our next project for our selfies. And I went into my camera first, turned the video around. There I am in the classroom. Some of you might remember what that looks like. And then once I took the picture I wanted, I saved it and then uploaded it into Autodesk Sketchbook. If you look at the top, there's an icon just above my picture with the photo with a plus sign. It looks like little mountains, dark mountains with a white background, and I uploaded my picture as the first layer. When you click on the layer, you can change the opacity by dragging that white dot down, and then I went up to the plus sign and created a new layer, which is the white square above my picture, to create my drawing literally on the next layer above my photograph. So I don't want to draw anything on the photograph. You can even hit the lock button on the photo so that you don't draw on it by accident and change it. So you should be able to go in and zoom in to get some details. And on the left hand side, I chose my tool as the pencil, but you can play around and see if you want to use a marker or a brush or some other tool, a pen, and you can go in and start drawing some of those outlines. So I try to go in and start drawing right around the shape of my face and into my hairline where I can see that line more clearly. Then I can go in and add some of the lines for the hair. So let's speed things up a bit. It took me a while to draw all of this, so as you're watching, note that it takes time to draw each little line and try to go with what you see. Some of the things I have improvised a bit, but I'm really trying to go in and sketch in some of the dark areas that I see, draw the lines in for the background and for some of the pattern on my shirt, and you can do that with your selfie too. You can also add some flair, what shirt you'd rather be wearing or something. Here I am going in with the pencil, but I made my tool just a bit bigger so that I could get some of the shading in, and then I used the blend tool, which you can see is highlighted right now. It looks like a pencil, but it's like a wrapped up piece of paper kind of to a point like a pencil, and that helps me blend some of the shadows that I created in the background so they don't have as many of the harsh lines. I wanted it to look smoother. So that's the basic sketch that looks like a pencil, which just blows my mind. This program can do this. And then I'll go back in on top and add color, and also for my final drawing, I created a new layer to draw over this with a marker. So I didn't change this drawing when I created a new layer. I added a new layer and then went in with a marker and outlined everything much darker. So you'll see in my final picture the outlines of my face are much darker. That way it's just more dramatic, and I thought that would be fun. So it's up to you whether you use pencil or marker to create your selfie drawing. Just wanted you to expand your skills in creating layers with Autodesk Sketchbook. I hope that all of you have fun and that this is something that you can take with you in your toolbox, your art toolbox, as you continue on your journey as an artist. Thanks guys, and I hope you have a great week and look forward to seeing your work. Keep watching to see how I add more color layers and then see my final examples at the end.